Here I've got Apple iPhone SE, and let me show you how to activate app limits on the following device. So at first you have to locate and open the settings, then scroll down, find and pick screen time, and then go to app limits. It's right here. And now if you would like to set daily time limits for app categories you want to manage, just click on add limits. And it can be either the whole category, for example, all games, or you can pick some particular games, but I will choose all of them, then click on next. And now you can set the, for example, 3 hours every day, or you can custom days also, so it can be 1 hour on Sunday, 2 on Monday, and all the rest that can be personalized by you. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly add app limits here, and if you would like to add, just click on add here. Now under app limits you can notice it and check what limits you have, and if you would like to delete it, just click on delete limit, confirm that you would like to get rid of this setup, and now it's no longer active, so you can use your device, use your games as much as you want to, so no limit is set up. But this is how you can smoothly protect your eyes, protect your focus, or also your kid if it's your kid's device. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can set up app limits in your Apple iPhone SE. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.